What will happen to your body if you eat 2 dates a day for a whole month? Have you ever wondered why dates have been a staple in so many ancient cultures? Modern research shows that these sweet, chewy fruits offer remarkable benefits for our health. But what exactly would happen if you committed to eating just 2 dates every day for an entire month? Would the results be as impressive as people claim? And considering dates are high in sugar and carbs, is it safe for people with diabetes to eat them regularly? We'll explore all these questions in this video. You may have also heard stories about how eating dates can help ease natural labor. Could that be true? We'll look at what scientific studies say a bit later. First, let's discuss the 7 key health benefits you might experience when you make eating dates a daily habit. Number 1, your heart and cardiovascular health will improve. Dates may not be the first food you think of when it comes to heart health, but they are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that benefit your cardiovascular system. Flavonoids in dates reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood flow and easing inflammation in your arteries. Polyphenols increase good cholesterol and lower bad cholesterol, which helps protect against heart disease, especially in people who are pre-diabetic or have type 2 diabetes. Dates are also a great source of potassium, a mineral that balances out the excess sodium in your body and helps control blood pressure. Most Americans don't get enough potassium, but 2 dates a day can make a real difference. By weight, dates contain almost twice as much potassium as bananas. They also have magnesium, which helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart attack or stroke. Magnesium supports a steady heart rhythm as well, which is crucial for overall cardiac health. Number 2, you will get a beautiful skin glow. If you want a natural way to achieve glowing, healthy-looking skin, dates offer nutrients that work from the inside out. They contain antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help protect your skin cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major factors that accelerate aging. Dates are also a good source of vitamin B6, which helps manage inflammation that can lead to issues like acne or redness. Another skin-friendly aspect of dates is their dietary fiber, which supports a balanced gut microbiome. Research suggests that a healthy gut can improve skin health through what experts call the skin-gut axis. By eating 2 dates a day, you're not only getting antioxidants and vitamins for your skin, but also promoting better gut health that might reflect in a more radiant complexion. Number 3, your digestion will improve. Dates are one of the best natural foods for helping with digestion, including issues like bloating and constipation. They're small, sweet fruits packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance, which softens your stool and makes it easier to pass. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve in water, but adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements. These fruits also contain pectin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut. These helpful bacteria break down food, absorb nutrients, and keep harmful bacteria under control. By eating 2 dates a day, you can encourage healthier bowel movements and better overall digestive health, like giving your gut a natural boost. In one study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, people who ate dates showed a significant improvement in the frequency of their bowel movements, which points to better digestion. Number 4, your brain function will improve. Dates aren't just good for your digestion and skin. They may also sharpen your mind. These fruits are loaded with brain-friendly nutrients. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is important for producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine that regulate mood, motivation, and mental clarity. Eating 2 dates a day can supply about 15% of your recommended daily vitamin B6 intake. Dates are also rich in choline, linked to better memory and learning abilities. Choline helps produce acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter in cognitive function. Dates have a high level of antioxidants as well, which protect your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 factors closely connected to age-related cognitive decline. By simply enjoying 2 dates daily, you could support better brain function for years to come. Number 5, you'll have more energy throughout the day. Imagine it's mid-afternoon and you're struggling to keep your eyes open. Your energy has hit rock bottom, and you're tempted to grab a sugary snack or down another cup of coffee. This scenario is all too familiar for many of us. The good news is that adding just 2 dates a day to your diet can help provide a steady supply of energy without the nasty crash that often follows processed sugars or caffeine. Dates have a mix of natural sugars, glucose and fructose, that are quickly absorbed by the body and converted into energy. The high fiber content slows down how fast these sugars enter your bloodstream, helping to prevent sudden spikes and crashes. That's a big plus if you're watching your blood sugar or trying to avoid worsening diabetes. Dates also contain essential vitamins and minerals like potassium and B vitamins, which support energy production at the cellular level. Since poor digestion can zap your energy, the fiber in dates further helps by keeping you regular and comfortable. You can enjoy dates in many ways. Eat them plain, chop them into your morning oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie as a natural sweetener. Number 6. Your bones will stay strong and healthy. Dates might not be as high in calcium as certain other fruits or seeds, but they do contain magnesium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that work with calcium to maintain strong bones. Magnesium is essential for bone development and mineralization, while phosphorus and calcium together help build and maintain healthy bones. Although dates aren't a magical fix for weak bones, they can certainly be a tasty addition to a well-rounded, bone-friendly diet. Number 7. Your blood sugar levels will improve. Despite their natural sweetness, dates have a surprisingly low glycemic index. This means they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, a characteristic that makes them relatively safe for people with diabetes. Their high fiber content also slows sugar absorption in your bloodstream, helping you avoid sudden peaks and crashes. Dates are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, both of which can worsen insulin resistance and make blood sugar control more difficult. While dates are still a source of natural sugar, moderation is key. Enjoying 2 dates a day as part of a balanced diet can be a smart choice for many people watching their blood sugar. Can eating dates before labor help ease natural labor? Some people say that eating dates a few weeks before labor can make the process easier. One study looked at 69 women who ate 6 dates a day for 4 weeks before their due dates, while 45 women did not eat any dates. Those who ate dates had a shorter first stage of labor, more advanced cervical dilation, and a reduced need for labor induction. Another study of 154 women came to a similar conclusion. Those who ate dates late in their pregnancy needed fewer medical interventions to induce or speed up labor. Researchers believe that eating dates could help with labor and possibly reduce the need for induction. Dates also contain nutrients like magnesium, iron, and calcium, which support a healthy pregnancy. If you have a condition that may prevent you from eating dates, be sure to check with your doctor first. How about you? Do you enjoy eating dates? How often do you include them in your diet? And have you noticed any specific benefits? Share your experiences in the comments. If you haven't tried them yet, now might be the perfect time. If you found this information helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new posts. Your support helps me create more content like this, and I wish you all the best on your journey to better health.